What's happening, party people? I am in the Bay Area, Santa Cruz to be exact. As you can see, it is raining. I'm on the south end, I guess, of the Bay Area, and I am going to be moving around in the Bay Area, Sacramento, places like that. So if we've already got a contact from you and we're supposed to meet with you, fear not. I'm going to be shuffling around this area, making sure I get everybody taken care of before I move down to Fresno, over to Vegas, and the Southern Cal, on and on and on. So last night had a meet and greet with some guys in the Santa Cruz area. This morning we're going to have some more meet and greet action over at a gentleman named Neil's place. So if you want to come on by, you're welcome. He has room for more cars to come by and hang out for a little bit, have a nice meet and greet. Probably going to start that off around 10 a.m. and go from there. Today's clips, I was still in Oregon. I was in Eugene and went down to Ashland. And then after that, I went into Southern Cal. I don't have a whole lot of time to edit a lot of video this morning, so I'm just going to put that one day in, and we'll pick up and put some more together for tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and catch up with you soon. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks. Limited parking. And why is this guy all the way over into this parking spot? Now I gotta kind of encroach over here. Come on, man. Park right. Sign says pick apart. They're there on the roof, but you're not allowed to pick your part. They got to get it for you. I'm lost for words here, people. I don't understand what's going on in Oregon. Is the water that bad? I am here. I need to go up all the way down to J27 slot. So as far as I could get away from the entrance is where this car likely is. First time I ever went to a junkyard, they asked me for 10 bucks. I don't know, some kind of deposit they said. Of course, I came with 2 bucks, not 10. Actually, I had about 7 or 8 bucks. Didn't have 10, so they took my debit card, wouldn't give it back. They won't run it, they just took it. Then they give me some kind of tag, a pink piece of paper, I guess indicates that I'm allowed to be in here, and I guess they'll give me my debit card back. Never went to a junkyard, had them hijack my debit card. So this is a Oregon experience. I do remember this is one of the first states that legalized marijuana. So I'm not sure if this, some people are high or if everybody's high. But they claim there's an S70 back here, no 850s. Hopefully I can get the parts I need to get William's car on the road. If not, we'll be at the auto parts store buying a new starter for 250 bucks. This is kind of astonishing. Look at that Jaguar right next to a Jeep. This is the organizational skills of whoever is running this place. Man, this is freaking bizarre. Looks like a Volvo down there, but I have yet to see this S70 that I need to get this starter off of. I'm not even totally sure I'm on the same road, but since we are in Oregon, we got the extra dimension of water every freaking where. This place is a mess. So I'm still looking for a P80 Volvo. These cars are hit hard. Wow. It's a freaking mess, man. Serious. Well, man, I don't see no Volvo down here. I know that's 70. So I'm headed back out here to the yard. They don't have any starters handy, so I get to go check a few more cars on A, B, and C road. They got a couple S60s and an XC70. So I'll see if they got any starters. Well, this place pulls parts and throws them in the back of the car. So you usually don't have to pull them because they're sitting in the car ready for you to grab it and walk off with. So let's see if I can find these other cars. I see the road signs are twisted around so you really can't see them. Let's see. A's up there. This is E and D. So these cars are going to be up on this area up here. Oh man. If I had to do this, this takes all the fun out of pulling your own part, and it's such a mess. I'd probably shop at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or some other parts store. And it's not single rows, it's like 3 deep on these roads. So it's hard to find the car in here. But, gotta try. Let me try. I am here at Williams' car. Due to time restraints, I am not going to be able to get this starter tested. I'm just going to have to throw it on. Somehow, my camera turned into fisheye. I don't even know what's going on with that. But anyway, let me get this starter swapped over, see if I get this car started, and go from there. Man, this turbo hose is gone. Thing has a hole in it, major boost leak. He'll have to replace that thing. Alright, we got the starter replaced, got the cam sensor replaced. We're going to test the ECC, tighten this up here, and get out of here. So let me grab my scanner so I can test this ECC. Where's Robert, yo? Look at these turkeys. Like a nature preserve over here. Seen a couple of deer walking around. Look at them big old deer. One right there. Don't even care. Big old one was over there a second ago. There he is, still in between those trees. My goodness. And we have a couple of nice Volvo. A platinum sedan. Looks like a platinum sedan. Got this platinum sedan. We are clearing codes. We're checking the SRS light. See why it was on. One code. Driver's airbag. Somebody probably pulled the steering wheel and didn't disconnect the battery before they did it. So we are going to clear that code. Permanent fault, open circuit. Alright. Let's exit that and clear the code and see if it stays gone. We're going to erase it. Ooh, not erased. That's weird. I wonder if somebody failed to plug this thing in. Oh, the clock spring could be bad. Has this car ever been in an accident?
No.
To your knowledge, no or no?
To my knowledge, no.
Alright, let's pull the airbag, make sure it's plugged in. We're going to scan my airbag. I have a spare airbag with me. See if it'll clear the code. With mine, it wouldn't clear the code with his. If it didn't clear the code with his, my next deal would be to driver's airbag. It's to replace the clock spring. Told it to erase it, not erased. Okay. So, my thoughts is this clock spring is bad. It's got a bunch of stuff in here. Things are going on. Yeah, I can't really see that it's bad, but you need to get a 96 clock spring. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.